Zero is well known in every numerical system, but it's interesting to know that zero is a relatively new invention. There was no symbol for zero in Europe until the 12th century AD. The origins of the number zero can be traced back to the time of the ancient Greeks and Sumerians. They used empty spaces to represent the absence of a number. 4,000 years ago, as pioneers in the world of mathematics, they laid the foundation for a new system of numbers. The symbol for zero and its form date back to the 3rd century BC. The Babylonians established more than 60 different numerical systems. They even discovered methods to calculate the length, width, and area of geometric shapes. They established a system that distinguished between tens, hundreds, and numbers greater than 1,000. A similar system was used by the Mayans in North America 350 years before Christ in their famous calendar. Until a few centuries ago, zero was not considered a number, but an empty space in calculations. In the 7th century AD in India, a set of symbols was used to represent zero. They believed that zero had no value and called it Sonya. This symbol gradually spread from India to China and the Middle East. Al-Khwarizmi, in 773, was the first mathematician to use the number zero in algebra. Years later, this number entered Italy and from there spread to other parts of Europe. Isaac Newton, the famous British physicist, was among the pioneers of using this number. Later, zero played a significant role in global equations and commerce. The number zero was not specifically invented by an individual. Rather, it has a longer history that evolved through various cultures and civilizations. For instance, the Sumerians and Babylonians used empty spaces to represent the absence of something, and this concept was gradually embraced by other cultures. Generally, the invention of the number zero was an evolutionary process studied and developed by scholars and scientists over the longest periods of human history.